Today I am going to discuss the second problem, departmental accounting. So before go for the problem, I am going to discuss the problem first. Particulars. Following is the profit and loss account of Chakravarti Limited as on 31st 3 2019. Purchases. There is a television department 1,40,700, radios 90,600, spare parts and services 64,400. There is a three different departments they are given. Don't get confused. Television is a different department, radio is a different department, spare parts and services is a different department. It means to say in this column they are given three departments. Then next they spend indirect expenses, rent 10,800, sundry expenses 11,000, salary and wages 48,000. Then when it comes to sales, television made 1,50,000 is sales, radio made 1 lakh, spare spots they have done 25,000. Then it comes to closing stock, television made 60,100, radios 20,300, spare spot that is 44,600. The finally they got profit 34,500. Here what we need to do, we have to allocate, we have to divide the expenses, indirect expenses as per the three departments. That's what we are going to do in the departmental account, as you know already. Then what ratio we need to divide? So on that we are going for the additional information. Prepare departmental trading and profit and loss account, all the departments after considering the following. So what we need to consider: TV and radio was sold in the shop and servicing is done in the workshop. So TV and radio was sold in the shop only and servicing is done in the workshop. That is the first thing. Salaries and wages comprise the following: shop 3/4, workshop 1/4. It means to say that is salary and wages for department television and radio, it is 3/4. Then workshop is 1/4. You keep it in mind. I am going to explain later while dividing the salaries. Shop salaries in the ratio of 1:2. It means to say out of 3/4 we have to divide 1:2. I am going to discuss later between A and B. So it means to say A and B means television and radio. Workshop rent is rupees 500 per month. What is the rent? First we need to see. Rent is 10,800. Then again we have to do out of that workshop rent only, that is 12 months 500 per month. Remaining it will be a radio and television. Rent of the shop is divided between A and B equally. The remaining, whatever the remaining out of 10,800, 500 for that is spare spot services, workshop rent. Remaining it will be that is a television and radio. Here they are given A and B. It means to say A and B means here television and as well as radio. Sundry expenses is divided on the basis of turnover of each department. What is turnover? Turnover means on the basis of sales ratio. As I told you already, whenever in the problem we have to do sales ratio, purchase ratio, it is must and should. So after that we need to divide the expenses as per the information. In the absence of that information, we need to analyze whether this expenses belongs to sales or purchase. If it is sales, relating to sales, we have to divide the sales ratio. So we'll go for the first there is adjustments is there. As per the adjustment we can do that. So first I am going to make a note of that. I would like to go for the note, then I'll go for going for to do the that is trading and profit and loss account. First we'll complete the note first. Expenses we have to divide. So the first one, so what is that? Rent they are given. Is it? I am going by one as per the problem. First rent they are given. So before that, so I'm sorry, before that first we need to calculate their sales ratio and purchase ratio. Sales ratio. What is the sales ratio? Television, I am going to call T, radio R, I am going to call it as R, workshop I am going to call it as a W. What they are recorded? Television is 1,50,000 sales, radio is 1 lakh, workshop is 25,000. Then make it simplification. 1,50,000, 1 lakh and 25,000. I am going to take 25 is the base, 25 ones are, 25 fours are, 25 6 are. So it means to say 6:4:1. Sales ratio is clear. First we need to do sales ratio completely. Then we need to do purchase ratio. Purchase ratio in this problem it is not required. Even though I am going to do in further problem it is required. So purchase ratio, what is the purchase they made? First, as I told you, that is television, radio and workshop. The same thing I am going to follow it now. 1,40,700 is to 90,600 is to, that is 64,400. See, whenever in the problem, if they are given like this, don't go far behind the simplification. It is very tedious. Most of the students, they may go into wrong here only. So what I am going to do, just see that you have to cancel last two zeros, the common factor. That's it. That is enough. 106, then 644. You can, so 1,407, 906, 644 ratio. That's it. That is enough. More than enough. Anyway, we are going to do in the calculator, we can do it. So if you go for the further simplification, so there is a chances of you may going to commit the mistake. So that's why you just leave that. You just cancel the zeros, whichever the common factor, whether it's a 2 or 3, whichever the zeros is possible, just cancel it. That's it. Then the next one, so sales ratio is, purchase ratio is over. Then next comes to, when it comes to salary and wages. So now I am going to do salary, relating to salary. They are given, sorry, salary only they are given. I am going to calculate salary. See why I am going to do all these things. When you go for, take for example, when you go for cooking, so we must do everything. We must be prepared for doing for something like preparing for before cooking. We are going to prepare everything, no, onion and whatever vegetables, everything we are going to cut. Then we are going to do that. No, the same thing here. We are going to do all the whatever the requirements. We are going to complete it now only. Then we can move on to the further things. Okay. Then salary and wages. Salary. What is the salary? They are given in the problem. They are given, salary is given 48,000, salaries and wages. See, if they are given only wages, it will comes to trading account. Salary and wages, it always belongs to profit and loss account. Student, you are not supposed to get confused here. Whenever they are going to give salary and wages, it belongs to only profit and loss account. So 48,000 they are given. What is the information they are given? Salary and wages comprise the following. So 3/4 is the shop, 1/4 is the workshop. So shop means television and radio. It belongs to 3/4. What is the 48,000? Then 3/4. What is the output? 4 ones are 4 twos are. So it means to say 12,000, 12 fours are 36,000 belongs to, that is television and radio. Further there is a division is there. I am going to talk later. Then what about workstation, work service station? The 48,000 into 1/4. So it means to say again it will comes to 12,000 only. 12,000 into 1, 12,000. Right? I have divided the salary. Then here 3/4 and 1/4 divided. Shop salaries in the ratio. Shop means that is television and radio. They are given. Again we am going to do 36,000. What ratio they are divided? They are given in the ratio of 1:2. 1:2 means 1:2 means it is 1/3 and 2/3, right? So which is the first one? Television. So television means 1/3. So how much? 3 ones are 3 twos are, it is 12,000. Then 36,000. Radio, that is 2/3. They are given in the problem itself only. 12 into 2, it is 24,000. Now salary is clear. All the department we are divided as per the given information. Then the next one, what they are given? Rent. Rent, what basis we are going to divide? What is the ratio of rent? So first we need to see the problem. If it is in the absence, then we have to go for the allocation. We are given earlier while doing in theory only, they are given what ratio we need to divide in the absence of this information. In this problem they are clearly specified that rent. What is the rent? So rent is, total rent is 10,800, right? 10,800 is the rent. Out of that, workshop rent is 500 per month. That you must aware of that. So workshop rent is 500 workshop. So they are given indirectly. Total is 10,800. Workshop rent 500 into 12 per annum means that is 12 months, it comes to 6,000. So out of 10,800, if you deduct 6,000, what is the balance? 4,800. It means to say the total is 10,800. Out of that 6,000 we are workshop. The remaining 4,000, it is T&R department. T&R department, it means to say television and radio. So now we need to say what is the T&R, what is the ratio we are going to divide. Shop is divided between A and B. As I told you, A means that is television, B means radio. So now 4,000, start madla. So 4,800, that is equal ratio. Equal means that is 1:1. It means to say that is 1/2. So it means to say 2,400 and 2,400 both, that is television and as well as radio, it is 2,400. Now all the allocation is rent, sundry expenses, salary over, then remaining one indirect expenses, sundry expenses. So sundry expenses, what ratio we need to divide in the problem? So they are given sundry expenses is divided on the basis of turnover of each department. What is turnover? Turnover, it tells about sales. Turnover means sales. Now we already calculated sales ratio. What is the sales ratio? 6:4:1. So now sundry expense is 6:4:1. What is the sundry expenses? The expense is 11,000. Now the ratio is 6/11. So 6/11 means 11 ones are, it is 6,000. Then again for 11,000 into 4 divided by 11, it's 4,000. Then 1,000. It means to say television or radio, then workstation 1,000. The allocation, everything is over. Now only thing is we have to do the cooking. Now shall we move on to the cooking? So now the first thing in this problem, as it is, as I told you in the previous class, whatever is there in the trading account, the same thing will appear here. The same format, it is applicable here. The first one, opening stock. To opening stock. Opening stock, so we could not see opening stock in this problem. It means to say probably this company is a newly established company for this year exclusively. So there is no opening stock in this problem. No need to worry, just put nil. Nothing is there, they are not given. Next, after opening stock, what we are going to write? To purchase. 1,40,700, 90,600, 64,400. So to purchase, any direct manufacturing expenses is there like wages or carriage inwards? No, they are not given anything in the problem. By sales, 1,50,000, 1,00,000, then 25,000, they are given in the problem itself only. After sales, by closing stock. What is the closing stock? I think they are given in the problem. Television 60,100. Then 20,300, then 44,600. So anything is there left out? No. Apart from that, all it is indirect expenses. Now I am going to have to calculate what is the now gross profit. Gross profit is the first one, 1,50,000 plus 60,100. Output is 2,10,100. Then next one, 1,00,000 plus 20,400, 1,20,300. Then 25,000 plus 44,000, 25,000 plus 44,600. Output is 69,600. Once we calculated, now I am going to calculate the gross profit. The first one, 2,10,100 minus 1,40,700. Output is gross profit 69,400. Then the next one is 1,20,300 minus 90,600. The output is 29,700. Profit is the difference of this 69,400, 29,700, 5,200. Now the next one, gross profit carried down. So 69,400, 29,700, 5,200. The next step, we will move on to the profit and loss account. This is only for trading account. Now we are moving on to indirect expenses allocation or profit and loss account. What is the first item? As per the problem, we have to go, while doing in the problem, we have to go as per the problem, whatever the expenses. The first, they are given rent. Rent, we already divided it. What is the rent? As per the rent information, we have taken the rent amount is 10,800. No, 10,800 we are divided. Workshop, it is 6,000. The remaining 4,800, it is 2,400. 2,000 television for 2,400, radio for 2,400. I am going to write the first one as per the problem. To rent, I told you already, rent we are calculated. So 500 for 12 months. Which department? Space and department, it is 6,000. Then remaining 4,800, they are given in the problem itself only 1:2, that is 2,400, 2,400. Rent is over. Then I am going to tick. Then the next one, to sundry expenses. How much sundry expenses in the problem? Sundry expenses, they are given 11,000. So 11,000, what sundry expenses? Divide on the basis of turnover of each department. We already calculated sundry expenses turnover ratio 6:4:1. So the total 11,000 we are divided 6,000, 4,000 and 1,000. I am going to write sundry expenses 6,000, 4,000 and balance is 1,000, right? Then the last expense, to salary and wages. To salary and wages. So salary and wages we are calculated already. That is total salary and wages, they are given 48,000. 48,000, that is 3/4, that is 36,000. Television and radio. Workstation is 12,000, that I am going to write 12,000. Then 36,000, it belongs to two, television and radio. A and B, they are given 12,000 and 24,000. We already calculated 12,000 and 24,000. Then anything we left out? Everything is over. Then we should calculate the net profit. So what is the net profit? We have to see the balances, which side is more. I think in the television we got profit 69,400. Then here the balance is less, 29,000. So 28. I think this side is more. So that's why I'm going to take department B. So 24, 28, 28, 30,400. So here 30,400. Then here 5,200 only balance is there. I think this side is more, 7,000 plus 12,000, it is 19,000. There may be always there is a chance one department may be a profit, another department may be a loss. Don't assume that always there is a one side profit for all the department, one side there is a loss for all the department. No, don't assume like that. There may be a difference always. So in this problem, television is getting profit to net profit only for television, not for radio and workstation. They got loss. So 69,400 we will calculate now. Now the net profit of department television 69,400. If you calculate this, the answer is 49,000. Here the radio and spare parts loss. Since I am going to take here by net loss of these two divisions, radio and space parts, the total of output 700. So and 13,800. The department television got profit, that is net profit 49,000. So this is, thank you one and all.